So far, we've been working with lines that have some sort of slope to them, but we're going to now move on to see what happens. What if your line is totally vertical, straight up and down, or horizontal, straight left and right with no slope at all? It's going to turn out that these are the easiest lines out there. Here's an example of a horizontal line. It's traveling left to right, and it's not increasing or decreasing whatsoever. So if I had to take a look at this, I would say every horizontal line is in y equals form. And what that means is when I write the equation of the line, I start with y equals, and I just count up how high is it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 units up, and thus my equation is y equals 4. It doesn't matter where I count. If I count it over here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 units up. If I count over here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 units up. So this is the line y equals 4 because it's always 4 units above the axis. If I had another line down here, that's totally horizontal, that line is 2 units below the axis, so this would have the equation y equals -2. It's that easy. If you spot a horizontal line, it's going to be in y equals form. So now I have a vertical line over here, and you just know this. Every vertical line is in x equals form. What does that mean? That means if I was going to write the equation of this line, it has to be in x equals form because it's a vertical line. And I just count over, it's 3 units left of the axis, or -3. So the equation of this line is x equals -3. If I had another vertical line, let's put one over here. Okay. Since I know it's a vertical line, I know every vertical line is in x equals form. So I would start with the x equals, and then I would just count it's 1 unit to the right of the axis. So that is x equals 1. It's that simple. Don't make it more complicated than that. Just know these two statements and do your counting, and you've got your equation of a line.